What you put on your plate every day is no longer food, but an expensive illusion of the past. The planet's true biosphere is dying right now, and what corporations are preparing to replace it will completely flip your perception of life, causing a real existential shock to every living human. Welcome to the harsh reality of 2050. Where familiar natural products have become an elite luxury for a closed caste of chosen ones. In a few years, your daily dinner will look like a portion of chemical gel, and trust me, your stomach will absolutely hate this sci-fi reality. Official secret reports from leading futurists and closed committees sound the alarm. Traditional agriculture is cracking under the weight of climate collapse. The planet is physically incapable of sustaining current scales of insane consumer terror. The Earth is completely exhausted by acid rain, fresh water is critically scarce, and industrial livestock devours the remnants of the ecosystem faster than AI can blink. Humanity's only survival chance is to completely rewrite our menu, and this is where the most terrifying and fascinating dive into biotechnology begins. Forget sun-drenched green fields and rustic farms. The food of the future is created exclusively in autoclaves under the absolute control of neural networks. Meet the next-gen product. Pure lab-grown cellular meat. This is not cheap soy or plant-based substitute. These are real animal muscle cells grown in a sterile reactor without a single drop of blood or slaughter. Sounds incredibly humane, clean, and ecologically flawless, right? But why do closed labs carefully hide the mutations happening to the human body after a decade of eating such matrix food? Cells keep dividing in an artificial nutrient medium packed with genetic growth activators. Our body, through millions of years of evolution, has never encountered such a synthetic structure, and the consequences could be fatal. But lab meat is just the tip of the iceberg of our new reality. Want to taste an elite protein bar from pure mealworms and genetically enhanced crickets? Transnational corporations are already pouring trillions into this market. Processed insect products contain 3 times more pure protein than traditional beef and require microscopic resources. Very soon, you will buy such chips and vending machines on every corner, whether you like it or not. What about the technological breakthrough of the century? Full food created literally from thin air? Yes, you heard that right. Advanced scientists have learned to synthesize caloric protein from pure carbon dioxide, water, and electricity using genetically modified bacteria strains. No arable land, no pastures, no climate risks or seasonal dependencies. This is the ultimate product of absolute techno-future, completely freeing humanity from nature's whims while turning us into system slaves. But before opening your mouth to taste this genetic engineering masterpiece, ask yourself the main question: who exactly holds the remote control to this food synthesizer? Whoever controls your food entirely owns your will. Real live food from the past will become an elite delicacy for the ultra-rich masters of life. Only the ruling elite will be able to afford a real apple grown on natural soil or a piece of wild meat. For all other lower-level residents, a standardized digital diet will remain, strictly programmed to your current health metrics. The smart home bio-terminal will decide what chemical composition you are allowed today. Freedom of choice, the taste of real life, and gastronomic diversity are officially history. We are moving to a level of absolute biological control under the noble pretext of saving the planet's ecology from total destruction. The bitter irony of this grand techno-era is that we so desperately sought to defeat global hunger and save Earth, that we ended up turning into a silent bioresource to fuel a giant digital machine. Are you ready to voluntarily trade the real taste of living nature for sterile lab powder for the sake of a fairy tale about saving the planet? Or are we all already trapped in a trap from which technological progress will release no one? Write right now in the comments whether you would dare to try a lab steak or bug protein next Monday. Spoiler, very soon you simply won't have any other choice left. Subscribe to the channel to be the first to know the truth corporations hide from us. The truth about food can no longer be hidden in test tubes. See you in the next shocking investigation. Bye.